Coach Harry, ikaw naman, is there any specific activity that you do or steps that you take to validate if a market is, bukod sa sinabi mo kanina, no, I understand part of what you said earlier was that, pero yung medyo mas concrete actions that you take.
Tatanong ako sa mga tao na sineserve na yung market niya.
So kahit potentially competitors mo, kumbaga? Or hindi naman necessarily?
Yeah, it's totally fine. Kahit pareho kami ng service, pareho kami ng skill, I ask them. But the idea is, I just prepare something that's in it for them.
Okay.
So, potential collaborations, or maybe I can send them the same clients if I encounter those clients. Kasi sisimula pa lang naman ako. Hindi naman ako super confident na kaya kong i-serve kagad whoever I get to connect with. So, I mean, ginagawa ko lang, nahanap ko yung mga tao na sineserve na yung market na napipisil ko na kasama sa choices ng gusto kong iserve o pwede kong iserve. And then, of course, I do connect with the market to get data. Pero mas malaki yung nakukuha ko na data from the people already serving the market. Kasi they have the experience, they have, kumbaga mas immersed na sila doon, naiintindihan nila yung service provider standpoint.